With the help of AI picture generators, anyone can make beautiful works of art like these for no cost at all with just a few words. You don't need artistic talent or a large budget to have a picture drawn or painted for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars every day online with free AI art, which is something that has really piqued my interest. I'm extremely thrilled to share this information with you shortly, so don't go anywhere. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. I will quickly show one of my favorite artificial intelligence-based art generators, and I will prove to you that selling AI-created work is entirely legitimate. Alright everyone, meet DALL-E 2. The only thing you are required to do is enter certain words. Best of all, it's perfectly legal to make a profit off of AI-created artwork that you got for free. If you're ready to start, simply sign up by clicking here. Make sure you typed in the proper email address and password. After that, check your inbox to confirm your account. A verification code will be texted to your phone when you enter your name and number. The time has come for you to create an image in your head. Simply enter your request in the search bar and DALL-E will make it. You should also specify the visual aesthetics you're going for. It's very neat how DALL-E 2 can whip up 4 different images for you to pick from. And another thing that's very cool about it is that if you like one of those 4 images that DALL-E makes, you can go in and create different variations of that image so that you have several versions of it to select from. This is something that you can do if you like any of those photos. Now, I had 3 ideas when I first started using this. At first, I thought, this is so effective that I will make a lot of people wealthy. I couldn't be more thrilled. DALL-E has given me the ability to make artwork that would have cost me hundreds, if not thousands, to get a professional artist to make before. The second thing that went through my mind when I saw it was, who owns the legal rights to this artwork? Could it be me? Or is it DALL-E? I mean, this is a pretty strong tool, but it's sort of worthless if I attempt to sell the artwork and then DALL-E simply hits me with a lawsuit, because then it defeats the purpose of having such a tool. How do you like our video for you today? Show us some love by tapping the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more of our easy-to-digest money-making strategies online. Now, let's get back to the video. So I looked at the terms of service, and they grant the user who created the art all the rights, including commercial rights, but they reserve the right to utilize the artwork when it's required to keep providing the services. This seems reasonable and fair. After that, my next question was, how much does this cost? Because of its incredible potential, the technology must be ridiculously expensive. Nope, it is completely free for you to use. In the first month after signing up, you'll have access to 50 free picture searches. In subsequent months, that number will increase by 15. I also put it to the test by signing up for additional free accounts so that I could try out the feature's ability to provide multiple free image searches per month. To sum it up, it's quite effective, completely legitimate, and totally cost-free. Is it helpful though? In terms of making money, to put it simply, yeah. To explain, I'll show you successful Etsy painting sales to provide context. Then I'll show you how we can use DALL-E to make pictures that are just as good, if not better. So let's open up shop right away. The artwork in this shop is only available as a digital download. Therefore, you will not receive a physical poster if you purchase one of these online. You will receive an image file via email that may be printed and used to make your poster at home. This digital product is very popular on Etsy and sells well. You can examine the performance of the shop by using the Etsy research app known as Allura, which can be accessed by entering allura.io into your web browser. The majority of revenue for an online store comes from digital downloads rather than the sale of tangible goods. Additionally, Allura may display the store's best-selling items, which is a crucial piece of information to have at hand while conducting product research on Etsy. You'll see a trend emerge among the store's best sellers in no time. An additional issue is that many of the posters look alike. On Etsy, posters with this particular image style tend to sell fairly well, as As a result of the high demand, several retailers now stock their shelves with variants of this theme. They frequently print them out and hang them as wall art in baby rooms. So, if we had thought of this poster ourselves, would we have been able to make something like this in DALL-E? We will have to see. But before we get to it, let us know what you think about our featured site today. Have you checked it out already? Leave your comments below. Now, let's jump back in. I went back to DALL-E and performed a search for a singing cat with a microphone on a Monet painting. And the results were rather cool, to say the least. One of those 4 was my favorite, so I decided to make more variants of it just to have more choices. And you know what? These pictures are as good as any you'd find on a poster for sale on Etsy. You can increase the amount of money you make from each sale by using DALL-E to create images, which you can then print onto automated actual products. As a result, it's clear that this type of creativity can bring in a substantial income. A daily cost of $100 is a reasonable estimate. But while monthly revenue is intriguing, I think it's smart to go and take a look at a store's lifetime revenue, because for obvious reasons, many stores make a significant portion of their yearly revenue over the holiday season. There are a lot of successful Etsy shops that sell paintings in this style. Naturally, the lack of contemporary artwork is due to the decline in popularity of this particular artistic movement. Consequently, most artworks for sale are likely to be antiques. You realize that this is a good chance, right? Hiring artists to create photographs in this niche art form would be extremely costly for us, but commissioning DALL-E to do it would cost us nothing. DALL-E has learned from the finest by studying the works of past masters, and this has helped it excel in this field. That's why it can whip up such breathtaking pictures in a flash. Additionally, this paves the way for a plethora of opportunities to cross niches. Give it some thought. When it is possible to sell digital posters, physical posters can be sold without printing. Yes, and I know just the place online that can help you out. Signing up for Printify or another similar service is free. In terms of e-commerce integration, Printify can sync with the likes of Etsy and Shopify. It's easy to start selling your DALL-E generated artwork by browsing their catalog of blank products and selecting an item, like a poster, to print it on. And with that out of the way, you may put it up for sale. After receiving an order, Printify will have your poster printed at their in-house print shop, packaged and shipped to the buyer. With any profit you make is yours to keep. Clear that the print-on-demand strategy for e-commerce has the potential to yield more profits per transaction than the digital mode. And that's a wrap. Let us know what kind of image you have generated with DALL-E 2 today. I'm sure you had fun being creative with this website. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.